Hey guys, this week we are going to be reviewing nonfiction reading, and we're actually going to be reviewing nonfiction writing as well. And so I thought that we could get started by reading a nonfiction book. And if you remember, nonfiction means that it is real, it is true. So when I read a nonfiction book, it's normally that I'm learning about something, I'm getting information, and I'm receiving facts. So in this story, in the Arctic, we are going to learn about one of the habitats in the world. And when you're done, you're going to have an assignment that goes with this. So I hope that you enjoyed the story in the Arctic. So if I'm looking at this page, I see some things that I'm maybe used to seeing before, but it kind of looks a little bit different. Do you guys remember what text feature this would be? What text feature helps me know what I'm going to be reading about? I hope you can figure it out because it's part of something that you'll be doing a little bit later this morning or later today. Let's explore the Arctic. The air is cold and dry. Use your binoculars to peer across the ice. A huge polar bear lumbers near the open water. It is hunting for seals. Frozen tundra. The Arctic tundra. Hey, wait, that word's bolded. I wonder what that means. Contains a layer of frozen soil called permafrost. Permafrost may be more than 1,000 feet, 305 meters, thick. A thinner layer of soil lies above the permafrost. This layer thaws each summer. Hey, this is something I'm used to seeing down here too. I wonder what that is. Sea ice is important to Arctic life and Earth's oceans, but there is less sea ice today than 30 years ago. It forms when ocean water freezes. Sea ice melts each summer. It refreezes in the fall. This is kind of cool. It's teaching me something. 2 months to grow. The tundra has a shorter growing season than warmer places. It lasts only 60 days. Trees and other large plants cannot grow because of the cold temperatures and thick permafrost. This is teaching me something too. Arctic willow, 6 inches, 15.2 centimeters tall. And hey, check this out. There's it's like measuring something. I wonder if that's important. Shrubs, such as the Arctic willow, have shallow roots. They grow closer to the ground than trees. This helps them endure the cold and windy conditions. Lichens grow over the ground and rocks. Their small size helps them survive. Lichens, slow-growing organisms made up of fungi and algae. That's important to know. Animals big and small. Bowhead whales are some of the largest Arctic animals. They can grow to 60 feet, 18.3 meters long. They may weigh 200,000 pounds, which is 90,718 kilograms. That's kind of massive. Bowhead whales have the biggest mouths on Earth. Their baleen can be 14 feet, 4.3 meters long. And hey, it tells me down here at the bottom what baleen means. Baleen, parts in a whale's mouth that filter out food of seawater. And over here, I see something else. I think I probably learned about this text feature when I was still back in the classroom. Do you guys remember what this one's called? Polar bears are smaller than bowhead whales, but they are the world's biggest land carnivores. Tiny phytoplankton flourish when sea ice melts. Many Arctic animals eat phytoplankton. Carnivores. Hey, we learned about this word. Animals that eat meat. Phytoplankton. Plant-like organisms that are microscopic, able to be seen only through a microscope. That does help me understand what microscopic means. Full of life. From phytoplankton to bowhead whales, the Arctic is full of life. What other amazing things can you discover about this cold northern place? Hey, I've seen these text features before too. Do you remember what they're called? We have the tundra wolf, the Arctic fox, the snowy owl, the polar bear, the caribou. Do you have a favorite Arctic animal? In the Arctic, continents with the greatest areas of Arctic, oh no, just give me 1 second, sorry guys. Here we go. Continents with greatest areas of Arctic tundra: Europe, Asia, North America. Hey, this is interesting, and so is this. These are two text features that I also learned about when I first learned about nonfiction text features. Do you remember what they are? Word review. I don't remember exactly learning about word review, but I think that is another text feature that I know about, but it has a different name because it tells me what the word is and it tells me where to find it in the book. And here's some extra information and some websites that you could go to if you wanted to. But okay, so now I have to follow through with the assignment that goes with this, and I need to review what text features are, and I need to show my understanding of text features. So I hope you enjoyed this read aloud about the Arctic, and I hope some of my hints will help you figure out today's assignment. See you guys later.